XZ Pro leaked with 4K display, Snapdragon 845 chip. Sony may have only just unveiled 3 new devices, but it looks like another is on the way soon. Sony is reportedly readying the Xperia XZ Pro, a new flagship set to be launched at MWC 2018 in February. The information arrives from MyDrivers, via XDA, which has gotten its hands on some potential specs details. The handset is said to come with a 5.7-inch OLED display with 4K resolution, Snapdragon 845 chipset, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Meanwhile, the device is said to come with a dual rear camera setup featuring a 18MP sensor with 1.33 micrometers pixel size and 12MP sensor at 1.38 micrometers pixels. The front camera is tipped to come in at 13MP. Rounding off the rumored specs is a 3420 mAh battery and IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. Take a look at a concept render of the device below. MyDrivers. Sony is expected to focus more on bezel-less phones with dual cameras this year, and this handset could be a great way to show off what Sony can deliver in this department. You'll probably have to pay a pretty penny to own the device though. MyDrivers suggests that the device will cost more than 6,000 Chinese yuans, the equivalent of around $930. This is pure speculation at the moment, but if it's accurate, the XZ Pro could be one of the first proper 2018 flagships, a high-performance machine with all the trimmings. Just don't expect the final device to look exactly like the concept above. Are you excited by the prospect of the Sony Xperia XZ Pro? Let us know in the comments. Your source for all things Android.